Hello internet friends. In this video I am getting ready to make a giant mess. I apologize if I didn't realize that my audio slider on my microphone input was all the way to the right. I actually went and listened to a previous video and then realized that the audio is garbage. So my bad if you've been actually suffering through that. Okay, so we're gonna make a mess here. Well, not yet. I had put together all of the ribs and cleat-coat everything to make sure everything fit. And now I'm taking it all apart because I need to put the stiffeners into the tank. Yeah, which tank is this? This must be the right tank? I think it's the right tank. Anyway, so here we go. And then I had, taped off all of the rivet lines so I could scuff them with Scotch-Brite. That's done. So I need to remove all this tape and then clean it up and then mix sealant. I've been real apprehensive to mix sealant because each session is going to be at least 2 hours, right? When you mix a sealant, you have about at least the version I bought has about a 2-hour working time before it just becomes solid. And for me, that's hard to dedicate 2 hours to. I mean, it's not hard, but you just have to find 2 hours to say, I am only going to work on this thing. And if a kid needs something or somebody calls, I'm just going to ignore it. Or tell the kid to go solve their own problem. So yeah, but let's see, how long have I been putting this off? A few months, but it's finally here. I mean, the fuel tanks are one of the critical things about the airplane, obviously, because it has fuel, and then it's one of the most problematic because if it leaks, you have a huge problem. Because fuel is expensive and it catches on fire and all of those kind of problems. But my hope is that I can use this week to get the fuel tanks finished. Oh, quick note on this: there's a fuel tank vent line holder that you drill to 7/16, so I just use the step drill to make sure it's nice and round. So that's what I was doing there. Oh yeah, because I realized once I got the stiffeners out that there was one stiffener that I hadn't made, so I had to go find that part and make it real quick. Okay, so anyway, I'll be home for this week. So my plan is at least a 2-hour session every night of making a giant mess. Which hopefully results in the end is I'll have fuel tanks. So can I do the fuel tanks in a week? We will see, won't we? But after that I have travel for the next 2 weeks, and that's the problem with a traveling job is every time I'm traveling, if it's somewhere that is within range, I'm like, I wish I had this plane built because then I could just fly there. But let's see. I have no idea how long it's going to take to finish. Like, my ambitious goal was July. July is a horrible time in Vegas to try to do phase 1. So maybe December. I might adjust my goal to December. Anyway, if you also have a plane building goal, come join us on our chat groups. No one uses Discord still. So come join us on Slack, scan the QR code, and I'll see you there, and see you in the next video.